Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. I'm crazy mad over the Down the Rabbit Hole Magical Mystery Bead Box from October. It is a celebration of Alice in Wonderland and it is fantastic. Can I get a shout out for the packaging and those teacups? Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I picked the White Queen Strand and the Tea Party mix, some 11O seed beads from my stash, and I decided to make a necklace, which I'm calling the Mad Tea Party necklace. To get ready to make this necklace, I attached 2 oval jump rings to each one of the things I wanted to dangle. And I used that strand primarily to be the focal section of the necklace, and the colorful beads kind of up the sides of the necklace. I added the little dangles and things onto the necklace, and they kind of surround all of those mixed metal and sparkly pieces up front. And I had one more of those dangles left over, which is one of the teacups. And I decided to use it at the end of some Jesse James Beads chain, which I'm using for a 3-inch extender. I grabbed a lobster claw, a large one, from my stash, and I crimped on the extender and that lobster claw. And now the necklace is sizable. And I used crimps and French wire to create the ends of the necklace there. I love how this came out. It's crazy mad. It's perfect for a tea party. It's so much fun. The color, the mixed metals, the dimension, the sparkle. It's really, really fun to make, and I hope you'll give it a try. You can make it if you grab the Magical Mystery Bead Box from October, and you should go to Jesse James Beads and subscribe to the Magical Mystery Bead Boxes. They are so amazing. I really had fun making this, and I love this box. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.